So when I purchased these, I was really hoping that they looked as premium as they do in the pictures. But, like with many things, I was disappointed to find out that it's plastic. Yay. But it's not like good quality looking plastic, it's like cheap plastic. And it's meant to look like metal. I mean, the color is good. These pads are okay. They're a bit hard, but not horrible, and they still have metal inside. But it is micro USB. Sure, 110 hours playtime. That is this, isn't it? Yes. So that's fine. I mean, it came 90% charged, and it's still at 90%. I've used these headphones for a few hours at least. But I mean, I don't like the molding on this. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, the way it's just kind of put together just looks not so high quality. I mean, I guess for the price, I mean, it was a bit on sale, but not by much. But it just looks less premium than you'd hope. It doesn't feel very strong either. Like, I'm not gonna do a proper kind of bend test because that's not what I do. But also, this is a bit annoying. It easily turns this way. It's not like there's no real resistance, or like at least some sort of stopper. But it only goes this way. It doesn't go the other way very much, if at all. And when I was wearing it, because it doesn't tilt, it only tilts inwards, didn't tilt any further outwards. That it was really uncomfortable for my head. It didn't exactly fit, and extending this any further just made the headphones feel like they were pressing harder on my head. So a bit of outward adjustment other than this would be nice, to be honest. Do I feel like maybe no? Putting this, if it was tilted the other way, it would just be way too wide. But at least make it flat. I mean, why is it like this? It doesn't even go flat. I guess the good parts are it gets pretty loud, I guess. Feels really cheap though, on the outside at least. My Beats, I mean, I have Studio 2s, but they were used, so, and they're actually they were quite good, to be honest. The pads are I've replaced the pads, but the ones I've had so far, they're better quality than this, softer. These are very rough. I assume over time these would get a bit softer, but they'd get deformed as well, and I don't think these are very good for, let's say, someone gets sweaty. And in terms of replacing these, I assume eBay, maybe AliExpress would have replacements, but it's all plastic on the outside, mainly. Yeah, actually no, it is just plastic. I'm pretty sure pretty sure that's plastic too. Yes, that's plastic as well. Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed in that construction. They pressed on my head. What else? Adjustments, just lax adjustment. It's a rough headset, but good loudness, good battery life. Would be better with Type-C. Wait, I'll just flip side turns this way. Alright, yeah, better. But yeah, having them constantly tilted like that. I mean, sure. Okay, it's just annoying me now. But yeah, the top band, it seems pretty soft plush-wise. So get to it. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look bad. I mean, it's definitely thicker than the Beats Studio 2 one, but I don't know how long its elasticity would last. If it would, like how Beats original earpads get dented, I guess. I feel like this would suffer the same fate. I mean, the top is also soft. I don't know how good this would be against rain. My Beats Studio 2 have been through a lot of rain, and they're still working, surprisingly, just about. But these, it doesn't feel like this could stand much rain. I've also worn the Beats in gym, so these don't really look like they're made for gym. So yeah, that's that. Comes with micro USB to USB-A cable, and an aux that has a kind of locking mechanism that goes in here. It's interesting design. I think it also maybe hooks in. Yeah, there's a slight notch on there, which matches the notch in here, just there. So I guess that's good for keeping it in, but my phone doesn't even have an aux port. And now we shall hear the audio quality. Damn, the song finished. I've just put it on repeat, so. This is full volume. I don't feel any vibration coming out of this side. Or the other side, actually. But I only really feel it when it's on your head. But it's clear. There wasn't really any distortion for myself. When you put them... You can't press the volume button very quickly to bring up the volume. It tends to change the song. You have to do it slowly, and it doesn't have its own volume. The volume is all from your device that's sending the music. But yeah, pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.
So this is how the box looks like. Look at that. Amazing! God damn. Oh, my hand's twisting. Hold on there. Fine. Look at the battery capacity. Look at the diameter of driver unit. That is amazing. 10 meters charging time, which is real good. Yeah.